How to log out your account on Battle.net. Are you guys facing issues to log out your account on Battle.net application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To log out your account on Battle.net app, first of all, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, you'll be logged in into this interface. You are looking to log out your account, right? To log out your account, just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Just simply tap on the profile icon. After you click on profile icon, you can see multiple options available at this section. Just simply look at the last option where you can see this option for logout. You are looking to log out your account, right? Just simply tap on logout. After you click on logout, we can see this option. Are you sure you want to log out your account? You want to log out your account, right? Just simply tap on logout. As soon as you click on logout, your account will be instantly logged out from Battle.net application. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna log out your account on Battle.net. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.